Today we are going to learn about how to use the help menu. It is a really amazing feature on FamilySearch, and a lot of people don't know about it and they don't know how to use it, and it can be a little overwhelming because there is so much information in there. So let's introduce you to the help menu so that if you are playing around on FamilySearch and you're curious about something and you don't know exactly what to do or where to find something you're interested in, you can use the help menu. So I have signed in to FamilySearch. If you don't know how to sign in, I have a video for that. So you can go back and look at that video. Go ahead and sign in. This is the dashboard. And in the top right corner, on most pages in FamilySearch, you'll see a help menu up here in the top right corner. So let's click on that once, and there's whole menu. There's so many options here. So we are going to, if this is your first time, let's click on getting started. And I'm not going to do my location. Okay, what is Family Tree and how do I use it? This is just like real general intro to family history, FamilySearch, just some of the basic stuff. A lot of what I'm covering is covered in here. And they're really great articles or videos that are really well done. The Help Center is huge. It's got everything that you want in FamilySearch for all the different features FamilySearch has to offer. So Family Tree, if you want to learn about seeing your family tree, editing your family tree, the different features on the family tree, memories, how to search for records, FamilySearch account information, and then if you have questions about DNA testing. Anyway, family history centers near you. There's places where after the quarantine's over, you can go and people can help you in person with your family history. So just up here is the search bar. You can type in whatever topic you're curious about, see if it's in there. Also, for contact us, if you scroll down, well, at the top of there, you depending on where you live, there are people assigned in your area that can help you with your FamilySearch questions. And I'm just not going to have the contact information for my people up on the screen on the video, but you can contact your people. And there's also a way to live chat during chat hours, which is 8 to 8. You can go visit the support center when you are done with quarantine. Also, you can email them messages. And there are people who are full-time volunteers for doing this kind of stuff, and it's really great. And they can help you with whatever problems you have. All right, so community. This one is one of my favorite features, and not a lot of people know about it. People have been on FamilySearch and they didn't know about this community page. So FamilySearch community is in two different sections. There's a forum where you can go on with other people who do family history. You can ask questions, you can answer questions. There are some specific to different regions, and you can go on and there are some people who are professionals who will answer. So yeah, it's like a forum and you can ask questions. How can we keep track of 20 different passwords? Lots of different types of questions. So that is in the forum side. And then here in the group side, you can go in and there are all different types of groups that are in FamilySearch. Like there are adoption groups. There's people doing African American genealogy research. There's an Asian one. There's one specifically to Japan, specifically to China. There's ideas for getting youth involved in family history. There's so many different groups, and you can just browse through if you want and look at the different ones. But there's some really cool groups in there, and so it can help you connect with other people doing similar genealogical interests as you. And I think it's really great. I have like 3 tabs of FamilySearch open right now. Okay, so that was community. So it doesn't look like the help menu is on. Okay. So the research wiki. All right, so let's go to research wiki. So I got there by going to the help menu and then scrolling down here to research wiki. And this is like Wikipedia for genealogical information, like the background information. So let's say that you're wanting to find when your great grandma was born, or your great great grandma was born, and let's say she's born in Georgia, but you didn't know that birth certificates didn't exist in Georgia till 1910. Like that kind of information you can find here on the wiki. It's good to get kind of a little bit of a historic information about the area your family's from. So you can go to the country and to the state, and it will give you more general information. So I could say, I want to research things in Nebraska. Like, tell me what kind of resources are available, or how do I research? Here's all the counties in Nebraska. So this is like Wikipedia on FamilySearch for genealogical data. So, yay. Is there anything else I want to tell you about that? I don't think so. And then Helper Resources has something really great. It has these tutorials that there's so many things inside this help menu, but how to use FamilySearch.org. And look at all these articles and videos and things to help you in your family history research. So that's the help menu. Click around inside it, search for a few things, see what you can see, and see if that helps you feel a little bit more comfortable with FamilySearch. FamilySearch wants to help you. They provide a lot of different ways to help you in their website. So I hope that helps you and encourages you to do more research. Good luck.